heard a bee.
Okay.
I heard a bee.
This is honestly like the only thing that we've gone out for. We only do groceries. Well, I do groceries. Mom just drives. My brother and my sister literally stay in the house. So honestly, if you're in the house bored and you're bored in the house and you're in the house bored, you just need to find a local park and come with your family. Use a mask. Stay 6 feet away from people. Honestly, you can stay like 100 feet from, like 100 feet from people. Well, and you're never going to be close to a person, only to this little crazy one, and that one that's somewhere over there. So, okay, so I can't say the name right, but we're in a park in Chicopee. We kept doing that one. Oh my God! I'm literally trying to shoot something, and she comes next to me with, where is she? She's like right next to you. She comes next to me and starts talking, and I'm like, I'm shooting a video. I don't do that to you. I'm gonna have to start doing that. I don't know how to say the park name, so that could be the title or maybe in the description, but I'm telling you guys, I needed this. I have been procrastinating with my work from the university, and just able to like get out and be like, you know what, guys in control. I'm gonna be able to do my homework. I'm gonna pass my 4 classes. Then I'm gonna have a whole summer to just do I don't know what. I hope the quarantine is lifted and we can go to places, but just maintain social distancing like she's not doing. I'm running away from her like I'm like social distancing, girl, and she does not get it. Oh my God, I love it here. You might think I'm crazy, but you know, it's awesome. I love it. Yeah, but go. I have never seen these things, and I like them. It's Pluto. both corn, something like that. I don't know what it is. It's Mars, Jupiter, and Pluto. Kinda like it's very fun. My bro and my sister. Gotta love them. Maybe next time we will bring a basketball and, you know, try to shoot some hoops. Try it, because the hoop is not there.